You how to create a human calculator in Scratch. Let me show you how it works. Okay, suppose I will click this flag button. Hello, this is the message. What is your name? Suppose I write my name as Poonam. Okay, then hello Poonam, this is the message. Okay, enter the first number. Suppose I have entered first number as 13. Okay, enter the second number. I enter second number as 3. Okay, what would you like to choose? Suppose I want to do the multiplication, then answer is 39. Okay, let's see how to do this. First of all, we will take a sprite here. Click on this button, add sprite, click on search and write Devin here, Devin, and search for it. Okay, we have taken this sprite. We can take any background from here. From the backdrop search, you will get a number of backdrops or backgrounds. You can take anyone from here. Okay, now see the coding. I am minimizing it. See this coding properly so that you can see it. Okay, see, this is the coding. When flag clicked, see, this is the coding. I have taken three variables here, number 1, number 2 and operator. To create a variable, click on this block, variables block, and see, make a variable option is there. You can write the name. Suppose I am writing A. Okay, then if you want to use it in all the sprites, this value is dependent on other sprites also, then we use this. If we want to use this for this sprite only and this is independent variable, then we will use second option. We are using here for all sprites. Okay, okay, your variable will be added here. See, here the variable is added. I don't need this variable. I have already used three variables, so I am deleting it by long clicking this. Delete the A variable. Okay, it has removed. Now see the coding. When flag clicked, set number 1 to 0 and number 2 to 0. This is for giving the initial value. Okay, set operator to, because we want the value of operator to be given by the user, so we haven't provided any value here. Okay, say hello, my name is Navdeep. This is the first message. Okay, then what is your name? This is the second message, and we have stored it value in the answer variable, which is already there in sensing. Okay, सेंसिंग में आंसर वेरिएबल ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को मिलेगा, ये आपको बनाना नहीं पड़ेगा. दिस इज बाय डिफॉल्ट. सी हेयर, दिस आंसर इज देयर. just click here, then you can see the answer variable here also. Okay, I have removed it. Okay, now say my classmates call me human calculator, give me two numbers to do calculation. Okay, enter the first number, देन वेट. नंबर 1 को हमने आंसर में स्टोर करवा दिया, आंसर वेरिएबल में. देन नंबर 2 को आंसर वेरिएबल में स्टोर कराया. आफ्टर दैट ऑपरेटर को भी हमने ऑपरेटर वेरिएबल में स्टोर करवा दिया आंसर लेके यूज़र से, फिर नंबर 1 नंबर 2 और ऑपरेटर में वो वैल्यूज़ चली जाएंगी। इफ़ say number 1 and number 2, if answer is equal to plus, if answer is equal to plus, see, if answer is equal to plus, keep it here, then say number 1 plus number 2, okay, give the answer. If answer is equal to minus, take this answer from here, okay. If answer is equal to minus, then number 1 minus number 2, okay. If answer is multiply, then both the numbers should be multiplied, else division will be done of two numbers, okay. Now see here, number 1 flag. Hello, my name is Navdeep. What is your name? My name is Shalu, okay. Then my classmates call me human calculator. What is your first number? Suppose I am giving first number 2, okay. Then what is the second number? Suppose I am giving second number 23, okay. Then what would you like to do? Suppose I want to do the division operation, then 0.52 will be the answer, okay. Suppose I want to do the addition. What is your name? My name is ABC, okay. Then enter the first number. Suppose I entered 5. Enter the second number. Suppose I have entered 7, okay. Then what would you like to do? Suppose I want to do addition of 5 and 7. Then what will be the answer? Answer will be 12, okay. Similarly, if we want to do multiplication, if we want to do subtraction, then what is your name? Suppose my name is Vibha, ठीक है, okay. And he will ask hello Vibha, and message will be given, and enter the first number. I am entering 8. Then enter the second number. I am entering 6. What operation would you like to do? Suppose I want to do addition operation, then 14 will be the answer. Suppose I want to do subtraction. My name is Shubh, ठीक है. Hello Shubh, call me human calculator. Enter the first number, suppose 6, ठीक है. Enter the second number, suppose it is 6. What would you like to do? Subtraction, okay. 0 will be the answer, okay, because 6 minus 6 is 0, okay. Thank you.